Hi, I'm Stefan Dahlqvist, Regional Manager for the Nordic and the Baltics. What I'm going to show you here is a new portable LED-based projector. It's a full HD smart projector. With smart means you can install your own apps, your APKs. Color performance is quite good. It has a 125% rec performance, integrated Harman Kardon speakers. It's a wireless function, so you can also use it by Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to stream your media, or purely if you just want to use the sound. Since the light source is LED-based, it has a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours compared to normal lamp life, which is dramatically much shorter. It's a compact size, easy to bring with you when you're traveling, or you need to bring it to different offices. You can also run it while using a power battery bank. As I said, small size, convenient. You have a lot of connectivity, HDMI, also memory card. Has Bluetooth out, so you can connect it to your Bluetooth speaker if you want a better performance on the sound level. If you want more information, please go to our website, ViewSonic, and you can read more about it. Thank you.